Hello, everyone. So today I'm going to walk you through how to use Engage at SSU. First thing I'm going to need you all to do is to go to sonoma.edu. From here, you're going to log in, and that will take you to your online services uh, page. Your page is going to look different than mine because we have different access and to different things. But what you're going to do is you're going to want to click on the Engage at SSU tile. That will take you to the Engage homepage. Again, you're going to have to sign in. And once you sign in, it should take you to the Engage platform. Again, yours is going to look a little different than mine because I have access to different organizations. You should only see the chapter that you are a member of in these tiles, or if you're part of a club as well, that's going to pop up. But what I'm going to need you to do is you're going to go ahead and click on the organization that you're wanting to work on. So I'm going to work on the FSL Engage page. So you're going to click on that. It will take you to what your Engage page looks like from here. And you're going to click on Manage Organization. Once you click on Manage Organization, it's going to take you to the back end of your chapter's Engage page. Here's where you're going to make any updates that you need to do. So you're going to go to this little hamburger drop-down menu up here in the top left-hand side corner. Drop that down. First thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to look at your roster. As recognized fraternities and sororities on campus, you have to have a minimum of 5 individuals on your active roster. The FSL page is not an active club or organization, so I don't have that. But what you're going to do to make sure you have your members here is you're going to click on Invite People, and then you can just copy and paste your members' emails into this sheet right here, this space. Let me do that real quick. I'm inviting all of my chapter presidents to join. So these are all my chapter presidents' emails. I'm going to add them and send invitation. So now they all have been sent invitations to join the FSL Engage page. You can also manage positions in here. So once you have your individuals on the Engage page, you can go ahead and manage the positions by clicking the Manage button. As you can see, I have created positions in here. You can create position that's specific to your organization by hitting Add Position. If you don't do that, you will only have an advisor, which needs to be your SSU faculty staff advisor. You will have a member, so that's all for the general members of your club and organizations. You'll have a president, which is you, and you'll have a treasurer, which is also you. Your primary contact should be the president. So you can go assign people to whichever roles they need to be once you have them in your roster. You can add whatever positions you want. Some chapters add their recruitment individual here. So that's completely up to you. So this is how you're going to manage your roster. The next thing you're going to want to look at is the About. This part is very important. So that first page that I went to where it had the pictures and a video and it had all that stuff on there, this is where you can edit that information. So you're going to describe what your chapter is about, like what your philanthropy is, whatever you want to have on your Engage page information about your organization. You could also change your organization's image. Um, I suggest that it's very clear that it says your chapter name or your chapter letters. That way you can be easily identified. You're going to want to have any contact information that's important. Um, you don't all really have addresses. I don't recommend putting your personal phone numbers up there, but if you have like a general email that you use for your chapter, you could put it here. Um, and then you could also put, like if you wanted to put your national website, you can do that right here. Or if your chapter has its own website, you can put it here. You could put your chapter's Facebook, your chapter's YouTube. If y'all have a Twitter, if y'all have an Instagram, you can put that information there. And then you just click update and you're done. You can go back to the drop-down menu. This feature, the events feature, is a really awesome feature that I know many of you don't use, but here is where you can have events be broadcast on the Engage page. So whenever you create an event, it will be broadcasted to any user that uses Engage. So this is a great opportunity when you're hosting like informationals, when you are doing like COB in the spring for Panhellenic and ISC, or you're having any type of event that's open to the general public, I suggest that you create an event and put it on here. All you have to do is click this event button and it will walk you through all the steps of creating that event. And then also being in the virtual world, it gives you the option to put the online location so you can put your Zoom link in here as well. Oh, and you can change it. You can put it for the public. You can put it for students and staff at SSU. You can put it to only members of your organization, or you can invite members only. So this is a really great tool that you all should be utilizing. Let me back up. The gallery, I highly suggest that you all put some pictures in the gallery. It just has, you can create an album. So if you create an album, let's say you put brotherhood or sisterhood, you can upload pictures of you all and it will be on your Engage page. So people can get an idea of what it looks like to be a part of your chapter, like just more insight into what your organization looks like. Up here, you can have different documents. You will all find on yours. Currently, you should have your constitution under the documents. So that will be there, in any other documents that you may want to upload, you can have there as well. Forms, you can put different forms up for your chapter if you wanted to. Like if you wanted to do like some kind of registration forms, you can do that on Engage. And if you need help with building a form, just let me know and I'd be more than happy to walk you through that process. And that's it. You could also keep track of service hours on here, but that's a newer function that we have. So once I have more information about that, I will let you know. The other important information for you all to have is, I'm going to have to log into a different one. I'm going to have to go, let's see, my multicultural one. When you all are going through this process right now of doing re-recognition on campus, you're going to have to do these online modules, which are in the president and training, or president and treasurer module right now. And after you do that, you're going to have to do, the president is going to have to re-register the organization in OrgSync, not OrgSync, Engage. And so when you do so, again, you're going to click on your organization's little tile, and then you'll see right here, about midway through on the right hand side, it's register this organization, you click this, and it will walk you through the process in which you have to go through to get your organization re-registered. Um, so yeah, this is just some general tips and tricks about Engage. If you have any questions, please reach out to me at any time, and I'd be more than happy to help you with that. So yeah, thank you for paying attention.